Today I'd like to talk about understanding your deductibles, policy limits, and premiums. But first things first, your insurance premium, often referred to as your rate, is the payment that you make on your insurance policy. The frequency of these payments can be monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annually, depending on the billing option that you choose. And some insurance companies are now offering 12-month payments as an option. Several factors influence your insurance premium, including your policy limits, your driving record, the type of car that you are insuring, and where you park your car, and your deductibles. So let's take a closer look. The policy limits, the coverage limits you select for your insurance policy, play a significant role on determining your premiums. Deductibles. The deductible you choose also affects the premium. The higher the deductible typically results in lower insurance premiums, while lower deductibles lead to higher premiums. Your driving record has a huge influence on your premium. Fewer driving claims and incidents will lead to lower premiums. The type of automobile also has an effect on how much you pay. The Insurance Institute lists the Dodge muscle cars as the most frequently stolen cars, and the Tesla vehicles as the least stolen vehicles. I'll post a link to that article in the description of this video. And where you live has an effect on what you pay. Areas with higher claims history pay higher insurance premiums. For example, the town of Chesterfield, Massachusetts has the lowest automobile insurance rates in the state, while some zip codes in the city of Boston have the highest rates. I'll also post a link to this article in the description of the video. And inflation can also significantly impact the cost of replacing or repairing your vehicle. As goods and services costs rise, your insurance premiums will adjust to cover these increased costs. But what does the term insurance deductible mean? Let's explore this. Your insurance deductible is the amount that you contribute towards any covered loss. It's a fixed amount determined when you purchase your automobile insurance policy. And here's a key connection. Choosing a lower deductible leads to higher premiums, as you pay less out of pocket for your covered claim. And opting for a higher deductible often results in lower premiums because you're responsible for more of the covered claim. How do you determine your deductible amount? It depends on your policy terms and choices. You can find your deductible amount in your insurance policy documents or contact your local independent insurance broker for clarification. And what do insurance policy limits mean? The policy limits represent the maximum amount your insurer will pay for a covered loss. If costs exceed these limits, you may have to cover the remaining expenses out of your pocket. And being underinsured means your coverage isn't sufficient to cover the full extent of your claim. That's why having an independent insurance broker is essential to help you set the appropriate coverage limits. And remember, understanding your insurance premiums, deductibles, and policy limits is vital for your financial protection. Contact your local independent insurance broker today to make sure that you have the right coverage for your particular needs. Our services come at no cost to you, and we're here to help you make the right insurance decisions. And don't forget that when your life changes, so do your insurance needs. Make sure that you are properly covered all the time by notifying your broker of any changes in your life. And here's a pro tip. Working with a local independent insurance broker, we review your policies each year to make sure that you have the right coverage for your particular needs at the best possible price. And keep this pro tip in mind. And remember that we're here to help you. You can reach our local independent insurance brokerage in various ways, by telephone, email, by visiting a website, or sending our team a text, all of which is in the description of this video. And we'd be grateful if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable notifications by hitting that bell so that you are notified the next time we post a video. And remember that knowledge is your armor against uncertainty. Stay informed, stay protected. Thank you for watching.